Hey kids, welcome to Let Us Bake Bits and Uncle Barb's.
Here's where we show you 3 simple recipes.
First up, chocolate fudge. You're going to take a medium-sized saucepan and to it you're going to add 2/3 of whipping cream, 3 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/3 of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Take your whisk and give it a stir. Now this pot is ready for the stove. Make sure you check in with your grown-up. Put it on the stove and bring it to a simmering boil for 5 minutes while stirring the whole time. Once you take it off the stove, add to it 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 3 ounces of bittersweet chocolate chips. Give it a whisk one more time, melting those chocolate chips. And there you go. You've got on your hands the best chocolate sauce you ever did taste.
And now, some raspberrycoulis. To a pot, add 2 cups of raspberries, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, and the juice of half a lemon. Now you need to check in with your grown-up here because we're going to take this pot to the stove. You're going to simmer for 10 minutes on medium to high heat. Once your coulis has simmered for 10 minutes on the stove, it's time to take it off. Make sure you're wearing your oven mitts and you have your adult with you. We don't need a seedy coulis, so we're going to strain it through a fine mesh sieve. This coulis is ready to be drizzled all over your dessert. Here is our simple syrup. To a pot, add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. Bring that pot to the stove, simmer on medium heat, stirring often until the sugar dissolves. It's that simple. Today, we're gonna play What's in the Box?
Jell-O is an obvious texture, right? It's squishy, she's gonna totally know what Jell-O is. But will she know that I've gone ahead and floated walnuts in it? It's walnuts floating in a bowl of Jell-O. Good luck.
Whoa, that feels slimy. Ew. It's Jell-O. That's disgusting. There's more than one. It's a rock. A walnut?